Hit it, hit it, hit it. There you go.
All right.
Oh, this little faggot.
Alright, let's beat these fuckers.
Dude.
Well, make do with what I got.
Beautiful.
The glass of water looks fucking
Get the ball,
sweet.
Biz.
Job.
I got it.
Good pass. That shit was going in.
Scott, stay in the goal.
It's you, Chris.
I'm going
All
up.
right, go. Go. There you go. All right, y'all put it in. You got 20 seconds.
Sweet.
Wow.
Oh, God.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. I didn't know you were coming up, bro.
Shit.
Oh shit, lagging on that one, dude.
There. You got it. Watch a replay, faggots. Watch a replay.
Watch the replay, faggot. Faggot, replay. How's that dick taste now, bitch?
Good try.
Yeah, it was hard to get centered on that one.
Oh shit.
That's why you shouldn't trash talk
Fuck you,
people.
kid. That's funny.
What'd he say?
He said, "Hey, fuck you, kid."
Oh my God. He obviously doesn't know us.
Shit.
Dread pirate butt?
Wow.
I do.
Obviously as well.
Oh my god, that would have
It's
been
got a
nasty.
smell. All right, boys,
Oh,
put it
hell.
in. You got your ball cam on,
Nice shot.
Scott?
Yes.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
it. We can take
It
these
should like
guys.
drive straight towards it. Don't hit the ball.
Beautiful shot.
Oh,
High and away from him.
Sorry,
You
bro.
are
I didn't
killing me.
realize how close we were to you.
now go hit it. That'd be great. There you go. Look at that shit. All right, knock the hell out of it, please. Or that. I tried.
Damn.
Get out
Nice.
of here. That's a pass. Oh no!
Good hit.
I used Dread Pirate Butt to hit the ball. Here it comes.
That's not what I've ever used, Dread Pirate. Fuck.
No, what the fuck? What happened?
He went around the ball and I didn't anticipate it, man. That's totally my bad.
Yeah, he's like, yeah, I'm gonna hit it this way.
See?
How's your ankles?
Oops.
Good, I've got to go for now. Just to make sure.
Nicely done.
Uh-oh.
Indeed. Nice.
You're welcome.
Good job.
It is.
He hit it.
Go, Scott, you got it. Oh. That was a close one there.
Oh shit.
Wow. That was lucky.
Yeah.
Oh no. Woo. I didn't even.
Hit it.
Oh,
tried.
Lord. Y'all giving me a damn coronary here. Hit it. Ah. Biz.
Oh,
Shit's doing some weird things. I don't know. It's just acting weird. It's not like I'm lagging. I see you going up in the air. I'm proud of you.
I almost hit that bitch too.
get her,
Ah.
Scott. Get her, Scott.
We gotta make some. We gotta get some O going here.
Oh, yeah. We're playing fucking brilliant.
Oh my
defense.
god. I'm sorry, dude. This is just lagging like a motherfucker.
Get it, Biz.
Like that?
Yes. There's it again. Whew. Gosh damn it.
This shit acting so weird, dude.
Oh, that's a little too hot.
Get her, Scott.
There it is.
Oh. I'm going up.
Oh, we had high ping that match.
Yeah, my pings are ridiculous.
Hit it again, Biz.
Fucking bastards. These blokes are wankers.
Yeah.
Did
there
you see
go.
that?
Good save. Go up with it. Go hit it.
I didn't see
I'm
it.
going, I'm going. Coming back.
Look at our points, Chris.
Exactly.
Straight across the board.
That is pretty insane. 1 goal, 1 assist, 3 shots.
It's coming at you, Scott. Nice.
Shit. Come on, we got 17 seconds. That's not good.
Well, hell.
Damn it.
We were playing like motherfuckers then as well.
Fourth it. We'll
Done
get
it.
to another game.
At least they had the decency to say good game after we forfeit.
I guess. I mean, hell, they had a fucking Challenger 3. Why? What the fuck?
Have you guys noticed how shit the matchmaking is on this game?
Yes, it is shitty.
Damn it.
I've gone up against superstars.
Yeah, it's
Like
ridiculous.
Pink
the
Division.
Blue. Yeah.
Oh, it's just
Fucking
higher than
retarded.
blue. I don't get it. I mean, that's only happened a few times, but
It may be because they're grouping with somebody.
Nice.
He wasn't expecting me to come up mid.
there you go. There you go.
That was perfectly timed though.
I gotta go, boys. If I set it up like that again, I'm gonna come up and hit it.
Goal's open.
No, it ain't.
Shit, here it comes, here it comes. Nice save, roll with it. roll
Somebody's
with it.
gotta hit it. Somebody's gotta hit it.
Get up, get up, get up. Nice.
Shit. Y'all don't let it just sit there in front of the damn goal. They'll come knock it the fuck out.
Good job, dude.
There it is.
They can never fucking turn on time. Quick enough. Guys, I'm going for the ball.
Shit. Job.
Shit.
I missed.
Got it.
Mm-mm-mm.
Ah, shit.
That's some lucky shit right there.
You're gonna fucking plunder.
Boom, baby.
Beautiful blow up there.
Thanks, wet that bitch. Yeah, I saw him coming. Like, I'm gonna get your ass.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
That
they
was
drilled
all
the
on
fuck out
this.
of it.
Hell yeah.
Nice. Oh. Shit. Not exactly what I was trying to do, but damn.
That was nice, G. I saw that.
Oh. Yes, good recovery, baby. Boom. God.
Watch what I did here. I thought that was going in, so I just hopped straight up and then boosted.
Going up.
Perfectly done.
Fuck.
Look like you just passed it to yourself. Coming up.
Go, go, go. There it is.
Oh, fuck.
I missed.
Damn it, damn it.
What? How the fuck did he?
Boom, punched out, gone. Done. Ball game. Shot.
Thanks, bro.
Now we cooking.
Even Chris got him one.
Got me one. After 6 shots, I would need to get one at least.
Jesus Christ.
You got it. Oh, sweet Hamburg hats. It's got a paintbrush. It's like a fedora with a paintbrush.
Oh. There you go.
They were pretty decent players too. At least the one guy was.
Hit it in.
Nice.
Got me caught up in the moment. Got me caught. Oh, these are the guys we tried to play the very first time.
Yep. It's the same thing happening again.
Here we go.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god. Just not destined to play those guys.
Sorry, Scott.
That's all right.
Ah, where's my second person?
Right here.
We just let them get back to the goal before we even come towards their goal. I don't understand it.
I respawned by the time they headed your way. They blew me up. Fuck not tried to do it again.
Oh my god.
And boom.
Nope, it's off.
Well, it was
There it comes.
perfectly set up though. We at least had the
Oh my god.
It's right, we're good.
I hit him. There you go.
Okay,
Sorry,
look at that.
I thought he was gonna come there. There you go. Oh,
fudge. Don't have any
Shit.
boost, period. Got nothing.
Let it go. Let it go.
I missed.
Get it. Good job. Go up with it, go up with it.
Hit it. What are we waiting on?
Oh,
Christmas.
Oh, please, I've only just got over the last one.
the Easter Bunny.
And that one too.
Oh, he got up there for it. Good
Wow.
play.
Please.
Dude,
With those,
that
you
could
like
be good.
have to get on top of it, or
Beautiful.
get it at the very top point. Go, go, go. Sorry, I was trying to get out your way. God damn, these a bunch of hitting motherfuckers.
Well, that's what we're running into, man. That's
Yep.
all they're doing is hitting us.
I mean, I get it. There's strategy to it, but god dang.
It's like some people do it excessively.
Fuck, I didn't
Yeah,
get around.
some people do it. That's all they want to do. All they want to do is a zoom. Oh, damn it.
Oh, shit.
Here it comes.
Look center.
There it goes.
Oh. Come on. You gotta be kidding me.
Hit it.
Job.
Look mid.
I'm not up there. I am not up
Okay,
there.
cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool.
No. Damn it, Chuck. You busted. Okay, punch it.
Hit it hard.
What the fuck is going on?
Fun skinny bop.
Oh, shit. All night and day.
Oh no.
You fucking hit me.
Good job, Scott. Good job.
Holy shit.
Pinks the shit out of that ball.
That's coming around.
Oh, baby.
Oh.
I'm going up.
Damn it.
Was that going in? Or
No,
was it close?
it just went off to wide right. It was
No,
close.
I meant your shot.
No. If you did the right thing by hitting it.
Just couldn't get it right spot.
Y'all know we ain't got a goalie, right?
Oh
Shit.
fuck. That's good. We'll score on these fuckers. I don't know. I hate those shots, the slow ones, because you just don't know when they're gonna bounce.
Okay.
Yeah,
up.
They hit
Sorry,
that wall,
Scott.
just
That's
barely
all
touched
right.
it.
Nice.
Oh, man. I wish he was there.
Oh,
Fuck,
no.
guys. You just gonna let them hit it in?
No, we were clearly
Sitting there
weren't.
just
We were trying to
waiting.
hit it out.
There you go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Be a good ball.
I'm on it, bro.
Yeah.
Ah, you fucking bastards. I hate it when they do that.
I tried to come around and hit him. Oh, that's it.
Boom.
Nice. Look at our ping, though.
In Europe?
Jesus. Must be. There wasn't nothing they could do about that shit. That was going in.
Nice.
Ah, he scared me.
Oh shit, Biz.
Oh, oh.
I thought you'd hit
Oh,
that. I
sorry.
was off there. Sorry. Nice shot. Oh.
Boom, baby. Oh.
He got just a piece of it.
Fucking hitting me back, man.
There it is,
Okay,
Scott.
Scott. Good job, good job.
Hit it again. Hit it again.
Fuck.
Oh shit, guys.
It is.
And no fucking boost. What the? There's lag.
Don't ask.
What the shit?
That's... Go up, go up, go up. I can never judge it when it's right above my fucking head like
Fuck.
that.
Yeah, those, you just gotta turn off ball cam. That shit gets stupid.
Oh, how did I miss that shit?
What a wanker.
Ah, nice, dude. Good job.
Damn it, which way did it go? The wrong way.
Jesus fucking Christ. Hit it, hit it. Good job.
Here it comes.
Let's see if that fixes the lag.
Good shot.
Nice.
Or Cyclops.
That was your shot. I was just there to bounce off of.
Damn, that was ridiculous.
That
There's
was
probably
not
not even
close.
real reason to be fighting that hard. Well, they had a 2, a 1, and a 1. That's it.
I was like sitting there like, do I come up and destroy this or do I let it play out? I can't believe that shit would have.
That's crazy. There's no way that should have won. But they couldn't get
For
to
him,
it.
for him, the second guy, yeah, I understand. It's a tough save, didn't he? The first guy.
Yeah, he should have had that shit.
Holy shit, I had 5 saves on that round.
Good God. That's way too many. They had 1 and 5 shots. They didn't have but 2 saves. I mean, hell, and I had 5 shots. How the fuck did nothing go in? You know what I'm saying?
Shit.
Ori, we played these guys earlier. I think they beat us. We forfeited to them. So
Not
y'all,
this time, baby.
y'all be up on your shit.
Fuck.
Beautiful.
Job.
Corn.
I had a fucking lose, damn it. Get off of the
Jesus.
gun. Get hurt.
Wow.
If my car just bounce, wouldn't get fucking planted.
Got you.
Good
Nice,
job.
lads. Bring it around, bring it around.
All right, here it comes. That guy, he's just camping back there. We got to take that goalie out.
Oh, my bad.
No, no, no.
Goalie.
It's away from the goal. I'm happy.
Y'all going for the goalie. Y'all protect.
Chit.
No, no, no,
Oh
no,
shit!
no,
Get
no.
back, Chris. Get back, Chris.
What in the hell?
It bounced. Watch
Nice.
this. I hit it out, and instead of going forward, it went straight up in the air. Look.
And he comes back and hits it in. Because where was the
Shot.
I was on my way back to him.
It shouldn't have gone straight up like that. That was bullshit.
I'll go.
Coming back, G's on you. Nice.
Boom.
How was that not a shot on goal?
There you go. Oh, damn.
It's a good job you were there then, G.
Oh, my God damn it.
There it
I
is.
missed. It's all good.
Been struck down with a curse tonight, boys.
Beautiful, Chris.
Holy shit.
I got ball.
Oh, hit off the hill.
Yeah, it grazed off that guy. Hey, I hit it to him. He just happened to be my bank shot.
I hit him.
Sorry, G. We both fucking went in the same direction.
It's okay.
Oh, what the?
Oh,
Someone hit that out. Someone hit that out, please. Good job.
It hit itself out, so I didn't have to worry about it.
Oh.
Shit.
I was just kind of there, so I couldn't really do much.
I ran out of boost right at the end.
Let
I
it
would've
go.
got it.
Let it go.
Gotta let that boost button go.
Not at that point. Not at that point.
Nice save, bro.
Clear.
Fucking dirty bastards.
Look mid. Look mid.
I'm on your side. Off the floor. Boom.
Quick,
Get
quick,
in
quick,
there.
quick.
God
Damn, I
damn it,
got-
dude. I just can't get them things to go in.
Wow,
There
nice.
you go. That's in.
No, it didn't. Just traveling faster than what I expected. Or slower than what I expected.
Bring it around, but you can. There's too far wide.
Mid again.
Shit.
Hit that, hit that, hit that.
Okay. Jesus Christ.
Go for it. Oh, that's in. That's what I get for playing aggressive.
Damn. We had these guys beat.
Yeah. Wow. We got some bullshit area. Bullshit hit.